If you are generating any type of LIC report and in those reports group code wise reports are not being generated, so in that case you need to log in into your iMagic account and then select admin option, which will have miscellaneous in it, where you will find the data repair option, and then you will have to select group code wise report not generated step 1 and click on the submit button. Once you have clicked on the submit button, you need to go back to admin and select self repair log report and check if the step 1 has fixed your issue or not. If it has fixed your issue, then well and good. But if it hasn't fixed your issue, then you need to select group code wise report not generated step 2 and click on submit. Then again, you need to come back to self repair log report and check if the step 2 has fixed your issue or not. If your issue has not been fixed yet, then you need to mention all the necessary details and raise a ticket. You will find the raise a ticket option on the right hand side upper corner of your iMagic login.